Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Honda CR-V EXL all-wheel drive, stock number Z9026XA. 70,000 miles on this trade-in comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Alabaster silver metallic in color. CR-V is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5, leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable mat for easy cleaning. Privacy cover, which is removable. Split seat backs, fold down with the pull of a handle. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, as you can see. The EXL has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual-zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Automatic transmission and heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the center console. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. And moonroof control overhead. Under the hood, the CR-V has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 185 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this CR-V, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.